Hey guys, hope you can hear me. I'm here at Tlaquepaque sitting in the elevation chair. It's literally called the elevation chair. I can't tell if you can see that at all. Sorry, I'm shooting on my cell phone. So I just had so many epiphanies while I was here in Sedona, and I'm gonna start going super multi-D with you guys again because I want to do it. I find that I crave it, and so for those of you who want it, we're going in, and for those of you who don't, I'm gonna sound super crazy. I'm gotta be okay with that, because it's real. It pops through the 3D in so many ways over the years, and I've learned to trust these journeys. Anyways, that's another subject for another day. The thing I want to tell you guys about right now is this new design I got in my head of an eco house, and I don't know all of the particulars about it, but what I got was the top of a dome, so using geodesic dome tech to do that with fiberglass or some type of clear thing over some type of rod things, but just for the top layer. And then the walls were straight up and down made of cob, sculpted so that there were reliefs of pillars and arches and benches along the way. Definitely on the outside. On the inside, it would probably be maybe curvatures of the rooms, of furniture, bookshelves, stuff like that, but made out of earthen materials. If you don't know what cob is, look it up, COB. It's ancient building technique. The oldest buildings in the world are made of earthen stuff, obviously. And so it really holds up beautifully in various ecosystems, more than you would think. Anyway, do the research on it if you want to know, but you can sculpt it however you want. And it's my favorite building medium as of yet. So I'm thinking round room, dome top, because really I just want to live in a terrarium, especially in a place like a desert or somewhere where it gets cold. So anyways, I think the floor plan inside would be pretty open floor plan. There would have to be a kind of curtain going across the top or some type of cover so that in the middle of the summer the sun's not just beaming down in there. But I like the idea of having the top open so you can open it to the sky visually, if not literally. Some skies would be cool in there, now that I think of it. But mostly it's the privacy of the walls and the openness at the top that I'm into. I think it could be done really inexpensively, especially if you use tiny house principles. I want space to spin around and dance and run around inside my house a little bit. So tiny home, all in all, is not a good match for me long term. However, I like a lot of the principles they use about spaces and how you multitask things and tuck things away when you're not using them, that kind of thing. So yeah, just a dome top, round cob house building idea. It'd be great if it had water in it. I feel like that about everything. I want to be able to have an option at any given time of sitting on the couch and having a conversation, or sitting in the hot tub, in the hot spring, inside, having the conversation. Having water go through all the rooms. I'm into it. So, send you guys love. Let me know what you think of that. If you have any ideas, I would love to know. You can put them in the comments. Because although I have all these ideas and I've worked on various stages, I've never created a eco house from beginning to finish. So me wanting to bring this in is definitely a lot of discovery in the physical world. Like I said, I have gotten my hands in it, but not enough to be an expert at all. So, thoughts. Love you guys. Hi from Sedona. Bye.